The reef is an animal, and it can help hold back the ocean. That sounds like one giant creature, but the truth is stranger. A reef is built by thousands of tiny coral animals. Each polyp makes a limestone cup, while algae provide energy for growth. Layer by layer, those cups become a massive underwater wall. Its rough surface weakens waves before they reach shore. Coral is animal-built protection, but if living builders disappear, future generations cannot replace the reef overnight. Coral reefs are living architecture, and preserving them protects the buffer.